Howdy, howdy, it's another trip down memory lane. Hey, we're getting good at these, aren't
Yep. We're on a hike in this part.
we? Yeah, this was a July 4th camping trip we took with our pop-up club. And this was a...
little hike.
Yeah, I don't remember the trail or the trail number. But it had some spectacular views.
Oh, yes. It's a very nice little area if you go down by Obana Woods.
O'Bannon. Named after our governor, our previous governor, a few years back.
Yep.
Here's some of the amenities. Look, there's a water slide. They had a pool there.
Water slides.
There's the nature center. We're fixing to go in there and check around.
Overall, it's a nice little park. Baby birds.
Yep, and a bird nest. And the chomping you're hearing is moose on a nylabone in the background. Got a close-up of the baby birds. Look at that. This was a very nice park. I liked it here. Here we're going into the nature center. A lot of history in the nature center. A lot of species like snakes, reptiles that are in the area. We don't remember any of the names of these snakes, do you?
Nope.
Or turtles.
No. I'm not very good at names, sorry.
No.
That was a cool snake, though.
I do believe that was a black snake there, but I don't remember for sure.
That one.
That's a cool looking one.
Why didn't we take pictures of the plate above them?
That was we weren't swimming. YouTubers then?
He was swimming. I don't know. He went swimming. That looks like a snapper.
But yeah, these, I don't know if it is or not. These are just different species that are in the area. That's a beautiful snake there. Got upside down hearts on it.
Yep, I like the coloring on it.
Yeah. And they had a lot of history in there. Yep.
One was a clock, and the other one was a press
of some sort, yeah.
That's a loom.
A loom?
A loom.
And what that thing is
spinning
next to
wheel.
It. A spinning wheel?
Yep.
I don't remember what that was.
It was like a saw of some sort.
A grinder. Very, very, very nice nature center, though. Very nice. That is a model of the hay press that is there. The only working hay press or something like that in the state of Indiana.
I think so.
And it was used during the Civil War, and it supplied the Union with bales of hay.
Old church on the property.
Yep. And right next to that church, I think, is where the Confederate Army came up. This is the only other place that a Civil War battle happened north of the Mason-Dixie, besides Gettysburg, was Corydon, Indiana.
Yep.
Which we're fixing to go into here.
This is a cute little town if you get a chance to go through.
Very, very cute.
A lot of buildings are still in operation as they was back then.
That's the oxen that operates the hay press. And that's inside the hay press. It was massive. Makes big, huge bales of hay. That's inside the hay press too.
Yeah.
But yeah, it wasn't being operated that day. I don't know what I'm doing there.
It was too hot, that guy said, that day to work.
And here's
Corydon,
Indiana's first state capital. But yes, this was the only other place a Civil War battle happened north of the Mason-Dixie line. Oh, Jasper, did Moose take the nylabone? Here. And I think this was 1812 and more. Yeah. But like Becky said, very, very cute town. Very, very cute town. We go into the state capitol building here in a few. For our Indiana Supreme Court, but now Indianapolis is the state capital. But y'all get a chance, check this town out. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video and these retro videos. There's our original state capitol building.
Very nice shape, too.
Got a few minutes left. Enjoy the song.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire. let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your head.